Just tell us your name and where you're from.
Okay. Hi, my name's Kurt Iden. I'm from Vancouver, British Columbia.
And maybe, Kurt, you could tell us, you're at the Ultimate Relationship Seminar. What did you think of the seminar so far?
Well, we've been a day and a half of the 2 days. It's just an amazing amount of information. It actually gives you an outline of what you're going to do for the next year. And it opens up so many different avenues to research and learn. There's no quick fixes, but it's a wonderful in-depth summary of or outline of learning to communicate with others and learning how to choose a partner and look at what attributes are most important for yourself and for your partner.
And if you were to give some tips to someone that was thinking about coming to the seminar, what would you tell them? In which ways would this seminar help them?
Well, I think universally it's helpful because there's just so much information. From there you can begin to choose what areas you want to go into. I mean, I would think from what I've learned this weekend, probably represents 2% of the total amount of information there, and really it just gives you a starting place to do your own self-study.
What's your favorite takeaway from the event?
Learning to recognize people's body type and personalities in relation to fire, water, earth, as that forms part of their personality and even in their body type.
Wonderful. And how do you think this will help you in your next relationships?
It teaches you to be more sensitive how to respond to other people, because you begin to understand where they're coming from and what their basic natures are, and allows you to be more sensitive in responding to them.
Thanks very much, Kurt, and best of luck.
Thank you, Kish.